Hello and welcome to the channel. So after a long time and wait, I got this Supor COOK3 Pro automatic cooking robot. So I've heard a lot about it. Let's see what it has. Oh, most of the writing is in maybe Chinese, but it says what I can read is model number is SY1016, 3 liter, 220 volts and 1800 watts and around 5 kilo. Firmware is CT30S88. Oh, I'm pretty much excited. Let's see what is inside. Oh, I don't know Chinese. And a card. At least this one is in English. Manual. This thing is also in Chinese. And this also. And links to the app. One spoon and a spatula. And it seems to be the cover. This is the top cover. Yeah, let me take it out. Wait a moment. Okay, so it says here NFC and Wi-Fi and a lot of things which is supposed to make. And this one is the attachment. Okay, and it fits automatically. There are some instructions, but I don't know what does it says. But let's take it out. It says number 1. Oh, that's good. And this is the standard. Oh, and the moment I moved it, it gets locked. And this is the button. Oh, let's see what it can do. Okay, so I plugged it on. There was a adapter was there, multi adapter was there. Okay, so I have to first find out what the English meaning of these are, and then I will make another video how to cook it. And in the meantime, I will also try to install the app and whether it has English interface or not. Thanks for watching, and let's see how does this thing work. And like if you have liked this video, and subscribe. Thank you. Till next video.